Within Exact, you can send out an update site information email, which is a notification sent to clinical sites requesting updates to information you have on file within the system. This helps you have up-to-date information and gives you visibility into any emails not successfully delivered that you may need to update. The Update Site Information feature is embedded within the slot request process. In order to set that up, we're going to go over to Slot Request on our left-hand menu. The first thing we're going to do is create a new slot request. To do so, you'll go ahead and click here, and the system will ask you if you would like to start a brand new slot request from scratch, or if you would like to copy an existing slot request. Copying an existing slot request allows you to copy over preferences used in the past and will save you some time. If you have previously created a slot request, you'll go ahead and click on the edit icon here. Once you open up your slot request, you'll notice you have a to-do list on the right-hand side of the page. Within your to-do list, the email configuration section will allow you to customize your update site information email. And within the Contact Information Configuration and Attachment section, you will select what information your clinical partners can update. However, to get there, you first have to complete the first two sections of this to-do list. In the Basic Configuration section, you first have to complete the Slot Request Preference section. The Slot Request Preference section asks a few simple questions about your participation in these mailings, along with a contact for your program should our support team need to reach you. You'll go ahead and make your selections, and once done, you'll go ahead and click Save and Next. The Session Selection section requires at least one session to be selected before you can move forward on your to-do list. If you have already created sessions you will include in your slot request mailing, you can select those now using the open checkboxes and rearranging those using the arrow icons. If you have not yet created the sessions you'd like to include in your slot request, select any available session here as a placeholder so that you can move along the process. Within the email configuration section, you will customize the email that will be sent to your sites. Click Configure Email for the Update Site Information option. A pop-up will open, and here you can update both the subject and verbiage of your email. You can CC and blank copy any users as needed. This particular question here asks if you would like to show requirements within the body of your email. The Location Details Merge field is a table that shows both the site name and personnel listed at that site for site contacts to easily view that information before clicking on the link. If you set this to yes, it will add an additional column showing them the requirements you have on file within the system. If you'd like to show that information, set it as yes. Otherwise, you can leave it as no. As you scroll through this pop-up here, you can also add any attachments you'd like to be included once your email is sent. And once you're all done, you'll go ahead and save. Once the pop-up closes, you'll want to then select this email using this open checkbox. This indicates that you will be sending this particular email. Once done, go ahead and click Save and Next. And within the Contact Information Configuration and Attachment section, the first question here is related to the Update Site Information feature. Would you like sites to update site information? Set this to yes, and the system will then load all of the options sites can possibly update when reviewing their information. Check off the items you'd like to allow them to modify. Any changes sites make will not automatically show up on your database. You will first have to review and approve said changes via a dashboard widget. Once done, go ahead and click Save and Next. Within the Review and Confirm section, you get to review all of the preferences you've set for each of the sections of your slot request configuration. Go ahead and click Confirm and select the No option. This indicates that your slot request is still a work in progress. And that is all that is needed to set up your update site information email. Once you've gotten through that setup, the next step is to schedule your emails to be sent. To learn more, view our video, Scheduling Your Update Site Information Email.